In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kraken Pro Wallet. First of all, fund your account. Go ahead to your portfolio at the bottom right on Kraken Pro, hit deposit, and deposit a USD, EUR, or euros, and go ahead and select your own account or joint account, and using your own bank credentials or using your own bank, you're gonna transfer from your own bank to this bank that Kraken has given you, right? And once you completed that transaction, you're gonna hit I made that deposit, right? Next, you can buy crypto, which is the simple way. Go to the main, let me go back right here to the Crypto Wallet app on my phone, and then what you're gonna do, hit trade at the bottom right, buy, and of course select the favorite crypto, right? And of course, once you select your favorite crypto, you're gonna enter the payment method right here, and once you select that amount, hit right here the arrow and confirm that you want to buy the crypto. Next, navigate the Kraken Pro app. So let me go right here. Go and select your favorite market, right? Choose the trading pair you want, e.g. Let's say USD, or excuse me, BTC USD, Solana USD, whatever, right? And once you select your favorite coin or favorite trading pair, you're gonna buy or sell the coin, obviously. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice, right? And you can select that type of trade. If you want to buy limit, stop loss, and instead of spot, you can buy spot or hold, or select margin, right? And of course, analyze the market when you do that. And once you select the amount of Solana you want to buy, set the TP and SL, or the stop loss or take profit, and hit buy or sell, of course, the coin. And then what you're gonna do is simply monitor your portfolio. Check your balances in the wallet or portfolio section and view your open orders and order history, right? And when you consider when to consider Kraken Wallet, and if you want full control, if you want to hold your crypto yourself, separate from the exchange or the Crypto Pro, right? So in short, for beginners on Kraken Pro, fund your account, learn to navigate the trading interface, and start with simple market buy and sell orders. Basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.